I request to Joshi Madam to give the prizes. The first prize goes to from Standard 8, Kuheli Datta. Goes to Abhilash Rai from Standard 8. And the first prize goes to from Standard 9, Jyoti Pawar. Now, second prize goes to Himalay Fatke from Standard 9. Now, I request, thank you madam. Now, I request to Joshi sir to give the prizes. Exam held in March 2015, Akshay Shetty stood first in a school, scoring 90.80%. He also scored highest in maths, 98%, science, 97%, and social science, 95%, highest in 3 subjects. Next, Sangam Prajapati stood second, scoring 87.60%. He also scored highest in Marathi, 86%, and Hindi, 86%, highest in 2 subjects. Likit Pujari scored highest on English, 77%. Likit Pujari English Marathon was held in our school. First prizes of this will be given her. Remaining prizes will be given on 26 January in the school. It's time to announce the English Marathon prize winner. And the first prize of marathon, Charushila Raju Shinde, standard first. 1. Parth Lokhande, standard second. Rekha Suthar, standard third. Arpita Pandey, standard fourth. Atharval Jakate, standard fifth. Krisha Bhanusali, standard sixth. Krisha Bhanusali. Harsh Waghela, standard 7. Harshvardhan Maurya, Standard 8th. Abhilash Roy, Standard 9. Thank you, sir. Now I request Prema Madam to thank everybody.
Our annual day celebration is a result of joint effort put in by everyone. I am here to thank each and every one of them. I first thank Joshi sir and Joshi madam for their help and guidance given to us whenever we need them. I next thank each and every teacher for making this program a grand success. I next thank all our students who have participated in today's program. Without them, this program would have been impossible for us. I also thank all the parents and the non-teaching staff for their cooperation. Last but not the least, I also thank the members of Savitri Bai Phule Auditorium for arranging the stage and giving us this auditorium. Thank you.
Thank you, Prema Madam. Now I request the guests to take their seat among the audience. Now I call upon stage today's host Akansha and Abhilash to further announcement.
Mishra.
And I'm Abhilash Rai.
Hey, what do you do in the morning?
Of course, bath.
Next.
Chatting.
Stupid. हम तो आज भी प्रेयर करते हैं. So I'm right. एक झलक किसी की 10th standard हमारी गर्ल्स दिखा रही हैं.
So they will welcome all of you on the song Ganesh Vandana.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणवन्दिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. भावाय धीमहि ॐ सहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
को तो पता ही होगा, कोली पीपल की शान है उनकी देवी, और यही बताने आ रहे हमारे जूनियर और नर्सरी के छोटे छोटे कोलीज।